So here's a little bit of today's progress. I've cut out the floor where the step is so my wife can get in more easily. And we bought these handles at austinhardware.com. It's a place, and they're rubber coated with steel in them. And I used these self-bulbing fasteners to put them in. When you put a 5/16 bolt in them, they expand. It's a pretty good setup, and so that's in there. And then I'm getting ready to do the electrical. Getting ready to do the 110 volt electrical. And this is a box I bought, and I want it to be as flat to the wall as I can. So I went ahead and cut off that. It's probably about a 8mm, 9mm section, and it's going to go right about here. And so I've discovered that I can go through one wall and not both if I'm right in this little area, and I can pick up 3 feet of it, so I can go through the wall there, and there.